Claim: Did Donald Trump really peek into Xi Jinping's private notebook? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that US President Donald Trump was caught peeking into Chinese President Xi Jinping's notebook. Verified X user MJ Free shared such a post with the caption: Trump was caught sneaking a peek at Xi Jinping's private notebook during a Beijing banquet while Xi stepped away. The post gained over 449,000 views and can be seen here. Other users have shared similar claims that can be seen here and here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is false. The folder belonged to Donald Trump himself and has a US presidential seal on it. Trump later picked up the same folder as he walked up to give a speech during the banquet. Fact check details. Digiti India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be false. The folder was carried by Donald Trump and featured the official US presidential seal. He was later seen holding the same folder as he approached the podium to deliver his speech at the banquet. At the 2:27 timestamp in the side video, the black folder with an emblem is positioned to Trump's immediate left and he opens it to check notes while Xi speaks. View a video screenshot of this moment here. This alone proves that the folder belonged to him and it consists of his notes or material for his speech. View a screenshot of this moment here. Next, we check other angles to verify if the black folder carried by Trump contains the same emblem as before. The Associated Press has uploaded the full footage with the different angles where Trump can be seen holding the same folder.
Thank you, President Xi.
现在请特朗普总统致辞。
View a screenshot of the moment at the 12:31 timestamp in the AP Press video where the emblem on the back folder can clearly be seen. Digiti India closely examined this and noticed that the folder bears an embossed US presidential seal, American bald eagle emblem. For instance, in this footage where Donald Trump delivers remarks on healthcare affordability, the seal can be seen on the podium. View a screenshot of this here. Another instance of the seal appearing alongside the presidential flag is when Trump delivered remarks on Operation Epic Fury on 2nd March 2026. Therefore, the black folder with the US presidential seal clearly belongs to Trump and not Xi Jinping. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: video purportedly shows Donald Trump taking a peek into Xi Jinping's private notebook. Conclusion: the claim is false. The folder belonged to Donald Trump himself and has a US presidential seal on it. Trump later picked up the same folder as he walked up to give a speech during the banquet. Rating: false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digiti India.